So we're going to go through each one of these strategies one by one and simply use ChatGPT to, number one, create a blog post. So let's ask it to create a blog post about digital nomads and remote work optimized for SEO on Squarespace, for example. That's a website hosting tool. So this is what it comes up with. Title: The Rise of Digital Nomads and the Benefits of Remote Work. And then it starts with an intro. In today's digital age, more and more people are ditching the traditional 9-to-5 office job in favor of a more flexible remote work lifestyle. These digital nomads have the freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection, often traveling to different countries and cities while maintaining their careers. And then now it goes on to the body of the text for the blog post. The rise of remote work has been facilitated by advancements in technologies, blah, blah, blah. And it continues, for digital nomads, the ability to work from anywhere allows them to experience new cultures, learn new languages, and see the world while still advancing their careers. However, it's important for digital nomads to be disciplined and stay organized in order to be successful. And then it writes the conclusion. As the trend towards remote work continues to grow, it's clear that digital nomads will play an increasingly important role in the modern workforce. And then it also lists the keywords here. So these are the keywords that they're using either throughout the article or that you can include in your blog post when you put it on Squarespace or WordPress or Wix or whatever tool website tool you're using. So you can use this to create a blog post. But in this particular case, I don't actually have a blog that I'm running at the moment. Actually, my domain expired, but I do have a newsletter, which I'll show you right here. I'm using a tool called Ghost. So I can simply take this post and create a newsletter about it, which is exactly what I'm doing here. So I'll show you an example of one of my newsletters, which I'm also using ChatGPT for right here. Digital Nomad Lifestyle. It's listing off some of the benefits and downsides, and I can send this out to all of my subscribers. I'm using a tool called Ghost for this. So if you don't have a blog, you can also create a newsletter and send it out to your email subscribers. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. If I want to take this post and put it into Ghost to create a new newsletter, or let's say a LinkedIn article, for example, I can come over here. I can just sign into my account. There it is. And then it's really just a simple matter of taking this post and turning it into a newsletter. And you can put a call to action at the end. So I have about 104 subscribers so far. And if I want to create a new post, simply do so here. This is a very cool newsletter platform that you can use. It's totally free, but then you have to pay for it if you want extra features. So that's it. And then obviously I just take this part out. I need to include the body and conclusion text. And then once this is finished, I can also add keywords, the keywords over here, digital nomad, remote work, right there. And then I can also include an excerpt and then just publish it and send it to my subscribers. So if I wanted to actually create a description, I can also do that here. Write a meta description for there, and then it will actually write meta description right here. So I can simply take this and put it in right here, and then in the metadata, and then send out the newsletter. This needs to be a little bit shorter. That's pretty much all there is to it. So that's how to create a blog post or newsletter that will get readers using ChatGPT. Next, we're going to be talking about the next one.